What is up, fishing fam? Fishing Life TV back here with you. We are out on another adventure. Today we have high winds. You're probably going to be hearing a lot of it through the mic. I apologize about that. I'm going to try to minimize that the best I can. Winds are about 17 to 26 mile an hour, probably 20 plus constant from what we checked last. So far, we're expecting some moving bait bites. So let's start throwing around a chatterbait, a lipless. I'm going to try to toss a jig and hopefully get a bigger one. Let's see what we can get. Keep rocking. Starting out with the chatterbait. Oh, I felt that fucker. That grass faked me out right there. Went right over it. I'm like, it took everything in me not to hook set. I'm like, I do believe I just had a failure of a hook set. See if I can get him to hit again. Yeah, right, huh? There we go. Oh, oh, they're short striking. Yeah. Yeah, same thing. I got a little bit of a rainbow color to it if you want one. I figured since we got for sure those shad in here. Good old, yeah. I am letting it sink if that makes any difference, like a lot. Yeah, I'm letting it get close to the bottom and I'm just barely. Right, and then I guess that's why some people use their binoculars. Got him. I gave it a pause. Got him that time, guys. He's a fatty. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful, nice fish first of the day. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Look at that fish, guys. That's a beautiful fish right there. Right in the mouth. Nom nom. Boom. Quick picture, let him go. Thank you, buddy. Whoa, whoa, okay. Whoa, crazy, 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 whoa. Buddy, where you going? Woo. All right, come here. You, that way. Woo, bye-bye.
Well, I swapped over to the jerkbait. You said you paused and I was like, all right.
Yeah, I gave it a pause and he fucking slammed it, dude. Constant retrieve and a pause. Collect myself here. It got me freaking soaked. First fish of the day, and it was a freaking fatty. I'm super excited. My glasses are wet, so let's get back out. No, he slammed right there. They've been slamming out there too, about right where we cast. I've been letting it drop. I got a few bites out there, but they'll follow it, and then when I pause, they'll hit like right there. Yeah. They're gotta be over here somewhere feeding. It was supposed to be way less wind, and so in my mind, I'm like, oh, you know, 60 degrees, a little bit of wind. Like, I bet that'll be nice. Maybe I'll bring my jacket in case the rain's cold. Here we are. Yeah, look at that cast. Look at that normal cast. Mile long like it should be with us. Grass patch right in the middle there. Beautiful. Up in that pocket there. I don't know how much y'all can see of that, but there's a little pocket there, swirling water. There's a cement barge thing underneath the water that kind of comes out. So the water coming out of that canal is going towards it and then stopping, and it swirls in that corner. So I'm trying to see if I can find any bass, grabbing some shad and other bait fish, getting caught up there. Jacob's on my page. I'm like, I'm gonna start walking over here since it's not as muddy. Yeah, last time it was trash. Got a whole freaking beach chicken wing over here. Something got him. All right, now we should be able to really target this corner. See where it pops out over there. There's that barge. Right up there. Oh, bro, there's little caterpillars. That's cool. This one's a fatty. Oh, that was a big guy. Holy sh**, there's like 6 of them. Caterpillar. This whole rock's covered in them over here. I didn't even realize. Hell, those are giant ones. Big ass egg. Big egg. Should scramble it. What to do with it?
I think once they're in the water, they're no good anymore anyway.
That's
so,
yeah, it's already out of the nest.
Yeah.
Something will eat you. Or something will happen. Something's gonna happen with it.
I'll accept the skunk.
Alright. I was thinking maybe going down to that point, but I was gonna grab my shit at the very minimum just so we're not getting robbed if someone pulls up. But I'm not worried about going over there if you're not. Yeah, right? Hey, at least it wasn't a complete skunk. It's not like there was no hits, not a fish caught at all. Like, fair enough.
I haven't even gotten a hit today.
But I mean, like, it wasn't like it was just dead altogether.